Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a garlic bread pizza with Italian sausage and pepperoni. Alright, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some of this Prego right here, Italian sausage and garlic. You're going to need some of this truffle, parmesan and black garlic. Right here, this is off the chain, guys. You got to go get this. Please go get it. You're going to love me forever. This is granulated Parmesan and Romano. Definitely need that. Here's my pepperonis right here. I have about, I don't know, about 11 or 12 of them in there. These are the bigger ones. This is my Italian sausage right here. And here's my French bread right here. We're going to cut that in half so we can have two. And here's my butter and garlic already mixed up. All I did was took a half a stick of butter, melted that down. It's Kerrygold butter. I put some parsley flakes in it. You're going to need that also. And I crush or press 3 garlics cloves, okay? That's what that is right here, all right? You're also going to need some cheese. This is mozzarella and provolone, all right? All right, guys, let's jump into it. Let me go ahead and clean this stuff up. Where we're going to, with these are sausage. I was going to cook them in the oven, but I got an air fryer. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on like 5 minutes and cook these sausage. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright? Okay, fam. Here's my Italian sausage I just put in my air fryer. This is a Ninja air fryer. We're just going to come over here and press this button over here. That already give you like 90. We don't need it up that high. We go to like 50, 350. And go to 5. Just hold it down, it go down. 5 minutes, okay? Alright. Air frying that also. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. All we're gonna do is cut this bread. Sorry if the table moving. Take your time. Like so. Open this bad boy up. And if you know, like I know, I always peel mine up. I get some of this bread, extra bread up out of there. Now, like I said, you can use this for croutons and all that stuff like that, if you wanted to. I'm about to show you guys how to make that one day, huh? What you think? Comment down in the comment section if you guys want me to do that. Yeah, I got this on like a little small tripod, my camera. So get you guys a little bit closer into it instead of way over there. I need to get me a better tripod. But once I start getting paid a little bit better, then I can start doing a lot of different things for you guys. And we do accept donations, just so you know. Alright, we're going to come in here with our garlic butter. I'm just going to put that all over the bread. This stuff smells amazing. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. And then I'll get my meat, chop it up, and we'll show you guys what we'll be doing next. Okay? See you guys in a minute. Alright, fam, this is how that looks right here. Got both of those look. We're going to come in here with this truffle, black truffle, parmesan. Just sprinkle a little bit on. This stuff is very strong, so don't go overboard. Okay? You just want a hint of this. We already got the garlic and all that stuff. So just like that, we're going to pop this in the oven, guys, to just slightly brown, and then we're going to start putting our stuff together. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm just going to start going in here with these sausage, slicing these up. Here. You can slice them like so. They will be hot, so be mindful of that. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Alright fam, we just gonna come in here with some of this cheese right here. I don't know what happened to the camera, it seemed like it turned off. It's a binder and it tastes good also. Just like so. We'll come in here with a thin layer of this cheese. This bad boy got this filled to the rim. I'm trying to tell you. Alright. Now Italian sausage. Just gonna throw that in there. I end up using like 3 of these. So that you know. You want one with every bite, right? Alright. How you doing, guys? Alright. I'm coming in here some more cheese. Could go crazy with it. Alright, pepperoni time. Pepperoni on there. Like that, guys. We're gonna pop these bad boys in the oven at 350 degrees, and we're gonna cook it till it's all the way done, to the brown anyway. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm finally done with this Italian and pepperoni garlic bread pizza. Let me show you guys how they look up close. Move that bell out the way. You guys gonna love this recipe, guaranteed, no doubt about it. Okay, I want to give another shout out to Deborah Delicious Dishes and Michael Home Cooking. Okay, inspired by them. I was supposed to have been and made this a long time ago. I never did because I'm normally making pizza burgers. But I'll show you, leave a link to that. Okay, so guys, hold on, let me go ahead and cut this thing for you. A little bit. Ooh, wait. Yeah. Trying to tell you. Off the chain, guys. All my cheese falling off. Alright, guys. I already know it's good because I made it before. I just never filmed it. You guys, if you like this video of this Italian and pepperoni garlic bread pizza, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, you already know, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love. Happy eating.